Hey there everybody, it's Jasper with the Boys and Girls Club of Contra Costa, and today we are going to be talking about a special technique which is really helpful when you want to show off in the kitchen. That technique is called presentation, or plating, or gastronomy. You want to learn a little bit about this? Let's take a look. Man, there are so many different ways to be able to present your art. But remember, you are the chef in your kitchen. You can make food look however you want, but I'm hoping that when you design the food, you are happy with it, that the person that you are serving it to is happy with it, that you use quality ingredients, and remember that the most important ingredient in any recipe is you, all right? In our next episode, we are finally going to make our chocolate bars. So, if you're ready for the next episode, I hope that you'll leave a like on this one, subscribe, and I will see you next time. All right? Take care, everybody.